Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sanya. So in today's video we will be making a Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sanya. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we will be painting on a plate, and this plate is old and waste plate. So let's see how the old plate can be turned into a good art. So here we go. So the background color will be blue. Here we go. And for flowers, yellow, red and white. Let's do on flower petals. 3 colors on one. I use blending technique. I'm using acrylic colors here. Art is something like you can change everything with it. It's really good thing in this world. जैसे स्कूल टाइम में बेस्ट आर्ट ऑफ वेस्ट बनाया करते थे, तो एक तरह का वो भी आर्ट ही है. In this case also for plate painting I have used an old plastic plate. You can see how beautifully it has turned out. It is not only lotus painting, it is pitchway painting. You might have heard this word. Pitchway means background or at the back. These are the paintings which are done on cloth and hang as backdrop on some of the temples. These are Indian paintings. Painting on a plate is not that easy because acrylic colors dry very quickly and it's very hard. It also does not look like smooth as on sheet. Please do give thumbs up to the video if you really like, and what you want to see next, please comment down. So yes, we have completed our plate painting. Bye guys.